The new What's New startup tips lets users know what beneficial new features they should be exploring in this release. A redesigned welcome screen helps modernize the look and feel of Cabinet Vision and uses the latest user interface components for easy evolution. The modernized sidebar uses the same proven technology as the welcome screen. This paves the way for user workflow improvements and additional functionality not previously possible. The camera editor also receives a new restyled and resizable sidebar. Resizable description and input separators help users create the look and feel they want. The modernization continues with the light editor. The new one-touch slide controls make setting up lighting effects faster than ever. A new simplified style control allows users to quickly toggle the user interface between dark and light modes, helping complete the modern look and feel. The Cabinet Vision 2025 install has been completely rewritten from the ground up using a whole new platform. The historic installer prompted users with multiple options multiple times throughout the entire installation process. The new installer has been simplified and streamlined to make it easier and faster for users to install the latest version of Cabinet Vision and exploit any new functionality in the latest release. Constraint annotation positions are now saved with the assembly. This makes life easier when applying constraints to the complex assembly and part shapes we see every day. It also helps make our systems easier to maintain over time.